Hey, greeting guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. nenomaila, you already know I'm back, baby. M traders all the way. But before I get into this video, I'm actually going to do a market breakdown on volatility 25 with the new strategy that I call my TDA. So there have been questions. So one of those questions is why I've been away from my YouTube channel and from my Telegram. So I've been struggling with I've been going through some let me call it psychological problems, challenges. I had a breakdown, psychological breakdown, hopefully all because of the men above. Hopefully I'm here. I thank God and everyone who kept on checking me on Telegram and also commenting, and everyone who subscribed, even though there were no new content being posted. So I thank everyone from bottom of my heart, and I really appreciate it, and I promise you that I'm not going anywhere. I'm here, baby. So there's one thing, then there's another thing that I wanted to say. So yeah, during the breakdown or the challenges that I had with psychologically, depression and all, so I updated my strategy. That's why I'm now calling it the TDA. So remember, I used to trade now and then. I would take a buy and a sell in the same day. So what I learned through being away from the YouTube channel, from social media, from everything, I actually learned that I don't need to trade force trades, take over everything that's being presented to me. Actually, I'm now focusing more on quality trades whereby I get to wait. I can wait. I don't mind waiting as long as I know my trade is going to be I'm going to be right with my direction, at least 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. So yeah, so the strategy is actually not per se. I'm still trying to find a way whereby I can educate you about the strategy, but overall it's how I used to trade with you here on my YouTube channel, but it has been updated. So here's my chart over here. Here's my chart. So let me see. Yeah. So as you can see, we on a daily, right? This trading view, it doesn't allow me to go further than the daily time frame. So you can see overall we had this uptrend, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, from here it's been an uptrend, as you can see. So we've been trending up until our concern we're starting to see the concern over here, whereby we created this higher high over here from this higher low. Then immediately when we broke it, that's where we got concerned. That's where we saw that we might be trading down to this area over here. So what do we do? So what did we do? We waited, and if we were in the market, we would have took this trade over here from this area here of retest to come down with it. So but then let's focus on the recent price action. So we trade price action here. So we can see that we broke out of this downtrend, a small downtrend, trend inside trend, the smaller downtrend inside the big bullish trend. So can see we head up. The steeper it gets to retrace, the more it gets steeper with the retraces and all and everything. Know that it's going to break. So it broke to this area. Then this was our first trend line. Let me just delete all the trend lines so I can diagonal trend lines so I can draw them for you guys. So this was our first concerning trend line. Then it broke it. Then we saw something for me. We saw, okay, this has been a strong area of it was one strong as a support, then it became strong as a resistance. So we waited until that zone broke. Let me just use a pencil. So we were expecting it to do something like this. Hence we have this low. So using a Fibonacci 2, that area over there actually it scared us a little bit about the selling opportunities. So what I just did now, the past week is that I drew another line here, another line like this. So you can see it broke out, then retested this trend line, and it might be coming to this level. So the TDA also helps me with the taking safe trades. So for me now, I can't take a trade here for now until I see this level over here on the daily, and until I see a daily candlestick closing below this area here, below this zone over here. So yeah guys, so for now I'll be waiting. But in the past week, the minute we broke this area over here with this daily candle, let me just do this. We're gonna start there, then we go to our 1 hour time frame. So from this area over here, we got this retest, right? We got that retest. Then nowadays I don't like actually stressing about, okay, what type of chart pattern is this, I stress more about the price action and also the candlestick formation, candlestick analysis, so I can see, okay, the minute how it broke, how it went down, and also how it retested this area. I can see, okay, it retested, but then how it left that area was very concerning for me. Like I was actually concerned about that area, right? So what did I do? Then that's when I went to the bigger time frame, like the 4 hour. You can go to the 4 hour or any other 4 hour, the 2 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, and an hour. So on the 4 hour, you can see that we have this nice bullish bearish engulfing candlestick. So let's say you had this, then I would place my entry here, making this my stop loss. Like I'm being realistic with you guys. I don't wanna change anything. like I would put my stop loss there. Then let's say we didn't have this area over here. Let's say we were targeting this area here. I would put my TP here. So overall, I would be risking 1 to make 2. So yeah, it's something like this that I wanna see before trading. So let me just go to the 2 hour and see what did I get. So the candlesticks are mainly for entry for me. Yeah, you see, this is what I wanted. So we would have taken entry here with this bearish engulfing candlestick, and you can also call this kangaroo tail, a kangaroo tail, evening star. Yeah. So I would have taken entry here, achieving which area over here. Then my SL would have been over the bearish engulfing candlestick. So you would see, okay, we did reach our TP over here. It was 1:1. You don't need to really what is this, aim for too many points. You can even, let's say you saw the entry here, you said you saw your entry on the 2 hour time frame. Go to the 15 minutes. You know that, okay, now I'm entering. Enter your trade. Then go to the 15 minutes to see where you can put your stop loss. Okay, you can easily put your stop loss right here. So now you can see you even increasing your risk reward ratio to risking 1 to make 1,16. Let's say even here you can also put it here, because I see a nice zone over here. You can see overall there's a strong zone over here. You can just put it over here, because then this area over here also acted as a, how does this rectangular work too? Yeah, so you can see this area has been a resistance. So if it breaks it, meaning the trade was always going to break and hit your SL, your stop loss. So for me, I would have entered here, target this area over here. You'd see, you see it hit our area. Let me just do this. Let me just do this. Wait, I wanna see. From 8 to from 4 to, my TP was hit in 6 hours. 6 hours, I think. 6 hours was 8 hours. Yeah, so you can see overall your TP would have been hit, and it's even the risk reward. It's now proper. Hence, you've scaled your SL on the smaller time frame, like the 15 minute, the hour, the yeah. Actually, those are the smaller time frame. So for SL, I prefer using preferably, personally, I prefer the 15 minutes on synthetics. On currency, I prefer the hourly, the 1 hour time frame. So overall, you can see where we're going with this trade. So if ever the market breaks this level, I would wait. For now, I just want it to touch. Let it just touch there. Overall, we can see it's giving us it's respecting this diagonal trend line over here, or you can even use the previous two what is this, lows. So we can see it's trying to print another chart pattern. You can call this a rising wedge, or a bullish, I mean a bearish bearish flag. Yeah, so we might wait for this to break this area over here. That's what I love about the TDA strategy. So for now, we know we're focusing on only selling opportunities. So every time you get a sell opportunity on the smaller time frame, you take it. Then tomorrow, it's another day, you go and see how the market closed. When the weekly close, you go and check how the weekly closed. So actually, you're checking the bigger time frame whenever at candle close on that time frame. On the daily, you check it daily. Every morning you start on a day on the 24-hour time frame. On the every week, before analyzing, you start on that weekly time frame. In a month, you start you study how the month closed. So actually, yeah, for now I'll be looking only for selling opportunities. Like now, let me see. Like now, we have our first touch here, our second touch here, our first touch, our second touch, and it might give us a third touch here or somewhere here. It might give us another structure in here, and it might head to this level over here. So yeah, guys, that's how psychologically I grew. Even though I had a pullback, a massive, let me just say, yeah, a massive pullback in my life psychologically. But then through God and the men above, I managed to learn something through that a breakdown, pullback in my life that I had. So yeah, guys, psychologically plays a big role, not only here on Forex, but also life in general. Like, take care of your mental health and also your thoughts. Take care of them and pray and talk to God. He's alive. I'm a witness of that. As you can see, I'm here live, back and healthy. Hopefully we're going to kill the market again together, and more content coming. And I was actually also planning on creating interviews with friends of mine who are also in this industry. So yeah, guys, M traders analysis. So for now, if only, because then we look at the bigger time frame. If only, let me open the daily and the 4-hour. So let me remove everything. Okay, I remove drawings. So if only we break this area over here, we're looking to achieve this area over here. And if ever we break this area, we're going to this area over here. So yeah, guys, M traders analysis, you already know, nenomaila. M traders, do hit the notification bell before you head out, and also subscribe and tell a friend that's interested in the forex market about this channel. I'm big, baby. I might be slow, but in no time I'll be back fully 100%. So thank you all for checking on me, hitting me up on Telegram and all. So I thank you guys. God bless, peace, and I'm out. We chasing people, at about like you. Man, we hustle every day.